Hello students, welcome you all. In this video, I will cover rest part of chapter first, food, where does it come from, class 6th, science. So, topics to be covered, these are all the rest topics of chapter first. What do animals eat? We will learn about herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, special group of animals and about food chain. So now it comes to the different types of food animals eat. So what do animals eat? On this basis we will classify all the animals in three groups. Animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat only plant and plant products, while some animals eat other animals. But some animals eat both plants and animals. So we will classify on this basis. First category is herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants. They only feed on the plants. For example, cow eats only grass and other plant material. You can see picture of rabbit, cow, horse, deer, goat. These are the animals. ये सभी only plants पे ही feed करते हैं, plants products. Next come carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat other animals. For example, lion, tiger, eagle, leopard, wolf. ये only other animals पे ही feed करते हैं. They not feed on the plants. That's why they are known as carnivores. Third category is about omnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat both animals as well as plants. Omni means both. Omni stands for both animals as well as plant. Like sparrow eats seeds as well as small insects, caterpillar. So sparrow is known as omnivore क्योंकि वो दोनों प्लांट एज वेल एज एनिमल पे फीड करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्रो, कॉकरोच, वी ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स all feed on both plants as well as animals. Now come to the special group of animals. Special group of animals means there are some animals which cannot be placed in above three categories. They cannot be placed in herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. They are having their another category. The first category is about scavengers. Scavengers are the animals that feed on dead and decaying animals. That means they feed on the dead animals only. So they help in cleaning of the environment, because dead animals will create soil pollution, water pollution to our environment. So scavengers जो है environment को clean करने में help करते हैं. उनको ये only dead animals पे feed करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो है they help in cleaning of the environment. For example, hyena, vulture, jackal. These are scavengers. And we can also call them cleaners of the environment. Second category is about parasites. Parasites are the animals that live inside or on the skin of other animals. ये animals फीड करते हैं अदर एनिमल्स की स्किन पे. ये रहते हैं और उनकी बॉडी के अंदर भी रह सकते हैं. एंड जिसकी बॉडी में ये रहते हैं, दैट बॉडी इज नोन एज होस्ट. द एनिमल्स दे लिव इन और ऑन इज कॉल्ड होस्ट. जिसमें रहेंगे उसी बॉडी से अपना न्यूट्रिशन डिराइव करेंगे. सो दैट बॉडी इज नोन एज होस्ट एंड द एनिमल लिविंग ऑन द होस्ट इज कॉल्ड पैरासाइट. So here are some examples of parasites are tick, mite, flea. And we can also take the example of tapeworm. Tapeworm is the parasite that live in intestine of human beings. So we human beings will be the host for tapeworm. Tapeworm is called parasite and we human beings will be called as host. Tapeworm will derive all the nutrition from our body, from human beings. And about ticks and fleas, they live on the skin of dogs and cats. So dogs and cats will be their host, and ticks and flea will be parasites. So now I will discuss about food chain. Food chain is the sequential process of food transfer from plants to herbivores to carnivores, that is called food chain. So our earth contains many green plants, and green plants are the only ones they prepare their food on their own with the help of the photosynthesis. Hence they are known as producers. So in producer category we will include all the green plants, and green plants are eaten by herbivores, and herbivores are in turn eaten by carnivores. Carnivores may further be eaten by other carnivores. So this is the sequential process of food transfer. So here I have given two examples of food chain. First one is terrestrial food chain and second aquatic food chain. So in terrestrial food chain we will include about grass. Grass is eaten by deer and then deer eaten by lion. Terrestrial means it will complete on the land. So on land grass will grow and grass is known as producer, and deer is known as herbivore, and then lion will be a carnivore. So this is called terrestrial food chain. Next, in aquatic food chain, aquatic green plants are eaten by small aquatic animals, and then small aquatic animals are eaten by small fish, and then small fish eaten by large fish. So I have given examples in this picture: aquatic plants and then small fish and then big fish and then shark. So in a food chain shows interdependence of animals. Interdependence means they are always, animals and plants always depend on each other directly or indirectly. So all food chains will begin with green plants only, because green plants are known as producers. They are producing food for all of us. In other words, we can say all the animals directly or indirectly depend on green plants for their survival. Thanks for watching.